Hello, my name is Giorgio Gasparini. In this video, we're going to see how to check and manage the data warehouse from UI. The data warehousing activity consists in data aggregation and normalization. ETL processes collect data into a staging area table. The warehousing engine calculates aggregation and splits data in summary tables at different time resolution levels, detail, hour, day, and month. Data is aggregated based on hierarchical rules, such as derived rows, and this process is called hierarchical data aggregation. There is also an activity of data classification, so the ANA or class definitions are used to classify data specified by calendar, for example, working hours, non-working hours. Data aging. Data classified as old by customizable aging parameters is deleted from the warehouse tables. And then custom statistics. Additional statistics to perform calculations on data series can be created, for example, percentiles or baselines. The data warehouse status provides an overview of the status of CO data warehouse instance in terms of alerts, available space, and data flow. The data warehouse space report is a drill down of the previous page and is useful to check DB space usage and growth trends. You can see the space available and used in table spaces and in single tables or per table partitions. The data warehouse queue status provides an overview of the status of the warehousing queues. There is a line for each thread, so there is a reduce, store, var, and warehouse threads and custom statistic threads, both for systems and workloads. The data pass from a queue to the other like in a waterfall. Whenever there is a problem, a line becomes red. The data warehouse data flow report or volume report is the last drill down page available in the data warehouse status. This summarizes warehousing operations in terms of imported, derived, reduced, and aged rows and in terms of duration. The timestamp refers to the day statistics. The processing rows is the number of rows processed from staging tables. The processing throughput expresses the speed of the warehouse, basically the total processing count divided by the total processing time. The processing time expresses the number of seconds spent in processing, with at least one active thread. The reduced rows express the number of rows stored in the daily and monthly tables, and the processing throughput the total number of rows processed divided by the thread processing. The timing report shows the execution and repetition times for every component call function of the warehouse. Providing this to BNC support can help understand if warehouse performance issues are related to something in particular. Finally, the diagnostic report is useful to concentrate all the relevant data warehouse status information into a PDF artifact to provide to BNC support. To generate it, generate an advanced report of type diagnostic, data flow and statistics, and put it into a works folder. We usually use the self-monitoring administration folder. Then, when required, you can easily run the report and download the PDF to send to support for diagnostics.